What should I wear? It is cold outside. I've got work. I've got the holiday party. That man finally acted right. So I need a cute little date look. The girlies are trying to do brunch. And I have a few friends' holiday parties to hit up. I know how hard it is to figure out what to wear, especially when it is cold outside. Like it got to 10 degrees in Wisconsin when I was visiting my family for the holiday season. So I'm here to give you some outfits for what to wear for different occasions this winter, probably part one of many because this is highly requested. We need the fits. We want to not just look good, but feel good. So grab your little drinky drink. And if you happen to be new here, I am Jordan Blackwell, former sustainable materials engineer turned lifestyle content creator behind Little Miss JB Style, helping you find not just what's going to look good, as you'll see, we're going to be looking real good, but what is going to feel good, learning to find the right pieces, make sure they fit and sit how you need to and work for the occasion without freezing, without being cold. Because baby, like, one thing about me, I need function and fashion, okay? We are not sacrificing warmth to be cute over here. So starting with the first look for work, going with something super easy, inspired by this look on Pinterest, but using what was already in my closet. I have this gorgeous, very easy turtleneck from H&M. You can find a turtleneck like this just about anywhere. I personally love ribbed turtlenecks. I feel like they just add a little touch of something fun, elevate a look using texture, and they tend to be more durable, I would say, than regular like jersey and fabric materials that don't have much texture to them. Then pairing them with my most asked about pants from Alice and Olivia. They have these in so many fun colors. I got this in a size 6 for my shorter torso girlies. These sit in just the right spot. It's giving body yaddy yaddy. And this in and of itself looks so good, right? Like how easy. And I love a good elevated basic. That is my first tip to always looking good regardless of the occasion. An elevated basic that is basically just a step above the normal item you would choose. So in this case, instead of just those plain slacks from Zara or from H&M, the pleats in the Alice and Olivia pants just add that like, right, but we're gonna take it up even more of a step. Again, going back to that inspiration from Pinterest with that fur vest. I have this one from Nasty Gal. How fun is this? Like giving luxury, giving elevated, but so easy and so warm. I love a good maxi option just because I love the drama. I feel like this, especially for your 9 to 5, if you've got body, okay, and you want to wear more form-fitting clothes, but not feel like, not that your body's unprofessional, but y'all know, like I've been there, like, girl, you know, you show a little too much body, and I'm like, the body just bodies in whatever I put on. Can't help it. So a good longer vest like this is such an easy option to, again, hide a little bit the body so it does come off as more professional, not too much body. I also just love the drama that maxi gives as well. Now, if you want to show off the curves of the body, go ahead and find a cropped option. Zara had this gorgeous one in stores. I think they also have it in black, but this is so easy for your 9 to 5. Quickly giving you a look at the shoes. Honestly, I have personally been eyeing up the platform Uggs. I just have not pulled the trigger, and those would look so good because of the length of these Alice and Olivia pants. You really wouldn't even notice that that's what you have on underneath. But in the meantime, just to keep with the brown and the shades of brown, I have my gorgeous go-to ankle sock boots from ASOS. Y'all know if you're gonna get one kind of ankle booty that looks good regardless of your body shape, regardless of your style, sock ankle booties. I'm telling you, doesn't matter what color, this style always looks good, goes with everything, super comfortable, never a waste of your money. What I love about this is elevated but still feels like wearing, honestly, pajamas to me. These Alice and Olivia pants are so soft. This top, super cozy, and then again, you just have this extra layer from the Fashion Nova vest, looking so good, elevating the look with very, very minimal effort for your 9 to 5. For a holiday outfit that is festive but not cheesy, and not that there's anything wrong, like I always love the idea of like the Fairly sweaters and the fun Christmas sweaters, but I just have not found one I actually feel like I would wear for years. So that's the reason I personally haven't done it. So outfits like this feel so easy and so approachable, especially if you have a more dressier occasion, but you're not really looking to wear a dress for the holiday season. I have this gorgeous top from Zara. That's right, if you saw the Zara try on, I told y'all. I got this in 2 colors because I was so obsessed with the fit, how it was giving. It has these really nice shoulder pads that give that drama, that gives some drape to the top, and then that ruching, so good. Plus the length of this goes down long enough to actually have a fun hemline over whatever pair of pants, whether you're high-waisted or mid-rise. So you're gonna make sure that you're nice and covered. Then paired with these pants from ASOS, right, because one, you probably already know, if you know me, monochrome is my easy way to always looking put together. And these really fun pants from ASOS, high-rise, high-waisted. I have these in a 6, I wanna say. I've had these for 3 years. They're just so easy. And again, they allow the top to be the elevated basic star. Like, it's just giving cinched and professional. Like, it almost looks like a jumpsuit. How good and how well these match. Because again, like, bought these completely separate places, completely separate like times of year, and yet coming together, serving what it needs to serve. Then for the shoes, of course, gonna go monochrome even more with my most asked about boots of the season, these Zara Croc boots, which they restocked, by the way, in this gorgeous burgundy red color, adding more texture, adding some fun, again, being on theme with the holidays without it being too cliche. And the nice thing about this is that you can do this with any color, like if you wanna do green, if you wanna do white, plus, again, it leaves you the option to layer as well. You can easily throw on a blazer. I have this one from H&M, which looks so good. So good. Again, giving another level of professionalism. So this is just a very easy, like, throw on and minimal effort, gonna be so comfortable, look so good. Hide that food, baby, okay? Because I like to eat good during holiday parties. Not that, honestly, working for GM for over 9 years, we never actually had like a formal holiday party. Can you believe that? Like, the holiday parties I actually went to for 9 to 5s were actually my friends' holiday parties. That's such a crazy thing to realize that my company never actually hosted one. Anyway, but anyway, I really love this. However, if you are a dress girly, I have an entire video that you can check out full of like dresses and special occasion pieces as well. If you need to be a little bit dressier, or be a little bit more feminine for your holiday party outfit. Another look for the holiday parties, I actually feel like this one does work for obviously your 9 to 5. You have seen this and other stories, sweater dress. I found a very good, more affordable one from Pretty Little Thing, y'all. It's not as vibrant. It's actually a nice like tan color, so I feel like that's gonna be a lot of fun too, very wearable. But this, with the color, the thick cable knit, I love a good thick cable knit to just, as you see, it just sets it off. And with the right sizing, I talked about that in my sweater dress video for y'all, like how I go about picking the ones that fit just right for the body to serve body. And I love this because it's so easy to wear. It's so much fun. And it's just gonna be, again, like a head turner without doing too much, especially if you need to move around, you're grabbing things. It's thick enough that you're gonna be warm, but not too thick that you're gonna be hot. Because I feel like when it comes to Friendsgiving, just about anything can happen. I don't know about you guys. We like to play games. We like to stay up late talking about just everything. I love a good Friendsgiving, a good friends holiday party. It's so good. So that's why just a fun little sweater dress to make for the season. Now, going to add some boots. Recently got these gorgeous boots from Dolce Vita in this like, it's almost like a brownish green color. They're so good. I personally like to do knee-high boots when it's winter season to add an extra layer of warmth. And I will say again, like if I was wearing this for a holiday party where we are out of the house, like I know me and my girls are going to do dinner for the holidays at a nice restaurant. So that's why I'm choosing these kinds of boots. But if you're gonna meet up at your friend's house, honestly, like the house boots, your Uggs, cause they're just gonna come right off anyway. But these, so good, so fun. Like, how good is this look? Again, very easy, very low effort, but giving everything you needed to give for the winter, for the holidays. And I even, like I said, loved to reach for this when I was working at my 9 to 5. Like the way this dress would get complimented all the time by my coworkers, like this is the dress I'd be needing in my closet. And if you feel like you're seeing me call out a bunch of pieces from brands that you shop at and you're like, JB, Jordan girl, I ain't see that when I was shopping on the site, go ahead and sign up for my email list. That is where I share the roundups first and foremost, plus exclusive discounts only for the email list, 15, 20, 30% off. So you can get a lot of these looks for less. But if you're not an email list girly, I get it. My Like to Know It account is the other place you need to go ahead and follow me on because I drop all of the looks there first, some roundups of like what's in my car, sales for like the holiday season, things like that. So make sure if you are loving the pieces and you're like, I never see these when I'm in the stores or scrolling online, go ahead and sign up so you can just get these straight to your inbox and you don't even have to waste the time or energy looking for them because I found them for you. Are you really serving winter bad if you don't have one just like statement jacket? And I feel like whenever it comes to brunch, that's what I love to reach for to set off a look. Semi-inspired by this look I saw on Pinterest. Now, I'm personally not a bodysuit or leggings girly, just because it doesn't make me feel confident. Like, other girlies, y'all look bad, okay? Y'all serving Pilates body, and I'm not angry, right? So that's kind of the inspiration I took here, but then tailored it to me, right? So I've got this really fun jacket from Fashion Nova. It was in my current favorites for last month. I'm obsessed. It is fur-lined, all on the inside. I got a medium, and it's just giving baddie energy, and I love that. Underneath, I literally have on like a sports bra because it's all about the jacket. What's underneath is a mystery. Y'all don't gotta worry about it. Like, that is my philosophy 95% of the time when it comes to good winter outfits that look amazing when it's cold out, is like the outerwear needs the outerwear. And I love a good in-between jacket for that reason. Like, is this going to protect me from like sub-zero temperatures? Absolutely not. But when I'm inside, it's also not going to be too hot, then it needs to come off and it can be the statement. Then instead of like a leggings or bodysuit, I went with, of course, the men's jeans from Zara. They've dropped these in so many amazing colors since. I've even eyed up this kind of like brownish color because when I say I've been wearing this pair specifically nonstop, like once, twice, sometimes 3 times a week without shame because I look good. I'm an outfit rewear. Y'all know that. So like I'm going to look good and it's going to look good. So I really love that because, again, elevated denim for me is just where I'm living. I'm not into like skinny leg jeans right now. I'm not even into like straight leg jeans right now. I just want non-boring denim because when it's cold out, then I can throw on an easy sweater and the jeans are going to be the statement. Pair it with a fun jacket, then I've elevated the look, right? Minimal effort, maximum impact, okay? Okay. Now, for the boots, we are bringing back the Dolce Vitas. Like, how fun. I just love this idea of like playing a little bit more with colors. Y'all know usually I'm matchy-matchy when it comes to monochrome, but I am loving the idea of just kind of this like, again, darker olive, playing around with a different texture and a different color to add some like edgy energy compared to just like if I would have done my regular ankle sock boots from ASOS. I have a green pair that I wear all the time with stuff like this, but that gives a little bit more classic and a little bit more demure. Are we tired of that? Like demure, cutesy, right? Like matching like that is super, super fun, but I'm having a moment right now with like just not quite matching and just having fun with that little bit of edginess that it gives to an outfit. So this for brunch is so easy, so effortless. And again, like if you're doing something that you want to be a little bit more dressed up than a bodysuit and a coat, again, with the Dolce Vita boots and this coat and a bodysuit, you would slay and look absolutely amazing. So again, this is just an option that I personally love. I do love a good jeans combo. I feel comfortable in jeans, which I know seems crazy compared to like leggings for most people, but I've been a tomboy forever, so like tighter clothes in me, it's still something that I navigate to feel comfortable in, especially for like everyday activities. I still view like skin tight clothing as more like for the evening and for the nighttime and for date night, which is the next look I'm gonna share with you. This date night look might be a little unexpected because I know you're probably thinking like, Jordan, that's looking like a mesh dress and you're talking winter, but here's what I love about a well-made mesh dress. I have this one from Affirm in a small. The stretch is crazy, y'all. It's made so well. I have a romper on underneath this. Could you even tell? Could you even tell? Like if I didn't tell you that's what was happening, would you have known? And that is my sneaky trick for keeping warm when it is cold outside. If you have a good quality like romper or a full-on jumpsuit, depending on the dress, especially a good mesh dress, you literally can layer it underneath, still serve body, because of course you can do black or nude, have that extra layer of warmth, and then play around with like those mesh dresses that you wore all up and down through the summer and maybe early fall. I love leopard print. I feel like it makes me feel so powerful, so sexy, big kitty energy for a date. So this one from Affirm just feels so good, so fun, especially for winter because again, it's feeling a little unexpected, but with the sneaky layering, so warm. For a jacket though, because okay, this is gonna be a little cold by itself. I'm not leaving out the house without a layering piece because my daddy would kill me. Like, what you mean you're leaving the house without something? You trying to get sick? Is you trying to get sick? And we're not. So for the jacket, adding drama with this faux leather trench coat from H&M. Like, she a baddie, she knows she a 10, okay? That's what I love about a good maxi leather coat. This is surprisingly warm, like so good, especially when it's not like freezing, because I'm gonna be honest, once it's like 0 degrees, and we're talking Fahrenheit, y'all, I live in the US. Once it hits like 10 and below, it's the jacket, honestly, you're just, unless you're coming outside in a puffer jacket, unless you're coming outside in a sleeping bag, you're gonna be cold. You're just gonna be cold. Like that wind chill just will knock you out. But on those nice like 30 degree, 40 degree, you know what I mean? The leather trench coat, it's so fun and so chic. Adding some edge, again, playing with opposites. You hear me talk about that a lot, right? Like playing around with a little bit of feminine and a little bit of edge. That just adds some depth to the look. For the shoes, thought I grabbed my boots, I didn't. Seriously, mentioned it too. That's what's so funny. He said, you forgot the boots. And I said, My trusty ankle sock booties from ASOS. Zara has a similar pair to these as well. I love just like the simple black. The heel height is so good. And of course, it just gives nice long leg and goes with every fit that I own. Like it just, again, ankle sock boots, you're not gonna be mad. Now, I did not forget about the fragrances. You're probably like, Jordan, hold on. Like, I thought we agreed you were gonna share fragrance options with these outfits. Look, I have literally been wearing green extravaganza nonstop. This has been my go-to fragrance for like the past 3 weeks. So I didn't want to keep being like, and green extravaganza, and green extravaganza, and green extravaganza. Like, it was gonna feel too much like an ad, and it's literally not, because I'm obsessed with this scent. This is literally just what I have been loving lately. And when I tell you, my baristas, all the ladies, they be like, excuse me, ma'am, you smell intoxicating. You smell like I just want to, you know what I mean? And like, they don't even swing that way, and neither do I. She does what she needs to do. Now, if there was an occasion that you were wanting me to cover, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to make this a reoccurring series for y'all, making sure to give you inspiration for the occasions that you need. So comment below if there's an occasion you want me to give you outfit inspiration for, and of course, like for what season too, because you know, the weather changes. You might want some inspo for an event that's only specific in the winter and doesn't happen in the spring. So let me know. And if you enjoy videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a video talking lifestyle, fashion, beauty, travel, all trying to help you find what's gonna make you not just look good, because as you saw, we were looking good, but feeling good, buying pieces that make you look amazing now that you're gonna wanna be able to wear and will last you long enough to wear year after year, because as you saw, some of these pieces have been in my wardrobe for 3, 4, 5 years and still looking good and still feeling good. And I want that for you as well. In fact, if you like this video, go ahead and check out this entire playlist with even more outfit ideas for different occasions to help you not just look good, but feel good. But before you do, make sure you also hit the like button. That lets me know to keep making content like this. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you over there.